This is a unit from EnviroKlenz, and for years we've been using negative air, and we've also been using HEPA filters inside of our major construction job sites, just because I like to have clean air quality where I'm working. I don't like to wear a mask as much as possible. And what this does here is when you're renovating your own home, especially in older houses, you put one of these air filtration units near the door to the separation from your work to where you're living, right? You always have a separation area. What this does is this is a massive cleaner. It takes care of all the particulates, right? It's also a HEPA filter in here, and it takes care of the VOCs, which is awesome. So all of the new products that you're installing are off-gassing, and so what this does is it eats all that up as well. It's amazing. It doesn't add any kind of chemicals or smelling agents to the air, it just cleans it. Now, it was made and designed for use for the military so they could be protected against different kind of chemical attacks. The stuff is off the chart quality. EnviroKlenz, I'm going to put the link in the description, because if you're not cleaning your air when you're renovating a house, God only knows what you're putting in the air and what you're making susceptible to your family. I recommend filtering your air all the time.